Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm going to show you how to get badges easily in Atlas Earth, or how to find them at least. First and foremost, before I dive deep into this, Destructor107, I think someone bought this dude out because he said, sorry everyone, but this project's been discontinued, okay, due to Atlas mapping update, and it's easier to use Google Maps to find cities and countries near you. He basically put the middle finger up and was like, listen, forget all of y'all. Say nah. But no, but for real, I think someone from the Atlas Earth like headquarters was like, boy, if you don't stop doing this, we're gonna slap you. And then here we go, right? So, but yeah, no, dude. This thing that he made, look at this. Like, look at what he made here. Okay, yeah, he discontinued it, but what he did was put every single badge possibly in the world, well, in the US, it looks like he did a lot of the US. I don't think he did in other countries here. So, yeah, I don't see anything for Canada. So, just bear with me though, bear with me. So, I'm going to put the link in the description below, but he put all the badges on here. And I'm not going to lie, these are pretty accurate. These are pretty accurate badges, and I'm going to take you to Philadelphia here because it I just wanted to show you the badges that they have on here, okay? So as you can see, this is Philadelphia, okay? And it shows all of the areas that have badges. There's Chester, there's Brookhaven, there's Ridley Park. So you can tap on it and it will show you that there's a badge there, right? Now, okay, let's go to Atlas Earth, okay? This is their map, okay? You go on their map, this is cool, yada yada yada, right? Which I think there should be a better way to look at badges or look at the world map, but I'm not a rocket science, and nor do I know coding, and nor do I know what's going on. I don't know none of this, okay? But all I'm saying is, right, let's go down to Philadelphia. Let's go to the same stuff that we looked at, okay? Okay, we see Ridley Park, we see Brookhaven, okay? So if you go on here, you're able to see, the highlights of each area. But look at this. This is terrible. You know what I'm saying? Compared to what they have, actually, when you tap on this, you can actually go to the map on your phone and it will take you there. It will actually take you to the location. Pressing this button right here, it will take you to your distance. So if you tap on it, it will take you to your Google Maps and you can choose your starting point from there and it will take you to the exact location. Now, it's going to be pretty accurate. I don't know why dude said that the mapping thing is wrong, but like, yo, I think you're not giving yourself the credit, dude. Your badges are really good, man. So, Destroyer, you gotta chill, dude. Your map is pretty solidified, man. So, hey, if you guys see this link, definitely check this out. Check out all the badges. He literally has all of them marked on the United States. So I say, because it's definitely way better than this. I'm sorry. It's nowhere. It's 2026 right now, and it was 2024, he said. 2024, he said that it was a dub, So no, it's this is way better, man. Shout out to you, bro. Like, the community needs to give you more praise because the map on Atlas Earth is not good here. So definitely check out this map. Seriously, like on here, it's still confusing for me. Like it shows me the people and it shows me what's going on, but yeah, the best way to look at badges is definitely this map. Don't care. It's this map. It's not Atlas Earth map. If you're looking for badges specifically, definitely check out this other link. You can go on here if you want to. You can explore like the pirate that you are. But yeah, this is it, Mr. Everything 107. You are a legend in the building. Get this guy his flowers in the Discord server. You know what I'm saying? He's probably like, yo, this guy is an idiot. But listen, hey, let's get it. Let's go. I got mad badges because of you making this map, boy. Okay. This is not discontinued. This is still in full effect. You only need 100. You only need 101, dog. That's all we need. We don't come on. You already helped us out already. We don't need this. No, we don't need this. This is crazy. I'm not going to Cleveland. I'm not going to Cleveland. Okay. We're not doing that. Okay. Let's get it. Let's go. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.